Gone is the days where you're just writing in a notebook and you're just using a pen and pad. We have to embrace where we're at as a society. We have to embrace that AI is here and it's not going anywhere. So, what are you going to do about it? Are you going to use it or are you going to run from it? Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about just that. Let's go. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamisha, and this is Tamisha Tutoring. So, we are talking about AI, right? And we are going to address the importance of using an AI tool to study smarter, not harder. All right. So, I want to take you guys into a tool that I came across, and I absolutely love it. I think it's the perfect tool for us that are studying for such an important and difficult, challenging exam. Okay, this AI tool is called Notebook LM. It's by Google. So, literally, if you put in Google Notebook LM, it's a free AI tool that you can utilize to help you study. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you in, I'm going to show you exactly how this looks like. And be sure to like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to this video. All right, guys, so this is Notebook LM. All right, so I'm going to take you guys in and just kind of show you around. So you're going to click on Try Notebook LM, and it's going to give you this. And of course, you're going to create a new notebook, but I'm going to go right here into this one. So when you come here, you can actually search your resources right here on the web. And you can also do a fast research search, which you can do a deep dive, or you can just simply upload files. So you can just click on Upload Files, or you can put in a web address and you just copy and you paste it right in there, or you can just copy text, let's say off of a website or just any resource, and it's just that simple. So of course you can have the information show up here. You can of course ask a question, create anything that you want down here, which is really great. And then you have sources that's going to show up here that you can add. On the right here, you have audio, you have video, you have reports you can create, data, tables. There's just so much. Mind map, and all of this is based off of your notes, which is going to be super, super helpful. So I hope that that was helpful. So keep in mind that this is an AI tool. It is not the end all be all. I want to caution you that AI can get things incorrect. But the beauty of this tool is that it is based off of the information that you put inside of it, which is really, really awesome. Okay. So I hope that that's going to be helpful to you. Utilize it and then come back and comment and tell me how did it go for you. Now, I am having a free webinar. I do webinars all the time. This webinar that I'm doing is how to break down NBCOT questions and pass with confidence. It's going down, so make sure that you register at TamishaTutoring.com/free webinar. All right, and I hope to see you guys over there. Bye-bye.